as you guys can see on the top of the screen, this is the Carhartt WIP Spring Summer 2022 lookbook. The season is technically live right now, I think. Usually the way they do it is they release these lookbooks, and then right when it releases, they drop a couple items, and then throughout the rest of the season, you're going to be seeing the rest of the pieces in here, as well as a ton of other stuff that will be dropping, just like different colorways of the silhouettes and pieces, designs that we will see in this lookbook. So that being said, here's the lookbook. Personally, I think it's a little underwhelming. I think they've been kind of, like the last couple seasons have been kind of weak. They had a really good one back maybe like 2 years ago. But ever since then, it's been like slightly downhill each season. And this one I'm really not just like vibing with at all. But we have this chore jacket here, which I do kind of like the color they got going on with it. It's not popping up for the new arrivals. But yeah, if you guys have never looked at these lookbooks, they're kind of nice. You can like expand the outfit and see what's actually in it. Pinstripe pants. These are single knee pants. They're all right. I kind of dig some of the pinstripe stuff, but definitely wouldn't go for these for my like personal. Maybe if they're overalls, be a little bit cooler, but not really digging it right now. Excuse the cough. I'm getting over COVID. Trying to bring you guys updates though while I'm getting through it. Next up, we have this striped polo, long sleeve polo, rugby, whatever you guys want to call it, and then a vest, kind of coming in this light olive color. Calling it pale spearmint. I always love the colors that they come up with. One season they had boysenberry. I really like that one. That one's fun. They also had what was it, like lagoon, which is like a forest green. That one was cool. Anyway, this fit trash. I don't like anything of this. I don't mind this vest in some colors, but the pale spearmint, just not for me. Moving forward, we have an anorak right here. Not digging it. This is like a trash fit. Not feeling it at all. We got this Time Nils t-shirt, kind of like a grayish charcoal color, if you will. Some Master shorts for $115. Crazy price. The pinstripe jacket, I will say on the right hand side, I do like this a lot more. Doesn't show it. But yeah, this jacket isn't bad. I actually think I might have this same jacket, which I have an unboxing for coming up soon. I think this will come out before the unboxing. It's called the Rider jacket. The one that I have is like a houndstooth pattern. This one obviously pinstripe, or looking like pinstripe at least from this picture, but super nice jacket, really warm. The one that I have at least is Sherpa lined. Not sure about this one. Does look like a very similar silhouette though, I will say. Looks like we have this light blue jacket showing up again. Kind of a cool feature. It turns into a backpack, so that's kind of dope. Not feeling that color though. That light blue, sky blue, baby blue has never really been one for me. We have a short sleeve polo with a zip collar in camo. Looks like we got just like a regular camp cap. Nothing too much to break down on the outfits. They're not showing the big pieces for a lot of these outfits, these lookbook pictures. Moving on, we have this striped shirt. Just striped shirt. We have this button up over here, which is kind of like a gridded off pattern. Not really feeling that. The shorts are, whatever. We got a bucket hat up there, and then the same striped shirt. We have another button up. Let's see. Dreams t-shirt. I forget what this says. I'm having a hard time reading it. Tropical Dreams, maybe? Tropic Dreams, something like that. Then we have this long, kind of Macintosh jacket. I think that's usually what they're called. I could be wrong though. Modular coat, they're calling it, for $205, which is not that bad. For a big jacket like this from Carhartt WIP, not that bad. Keep in mind though, this is probably like a very lightweight, but not that bad of a price. I wonder if it'll come in any other colors. I think we can actually open it up and maybe see. Yeah, it looks like we have 3 different colors. Oh, well, 3 loaded, but I guess we just have the wall colorway for this one. Anyway, the Tropic Dream shirt, not really feeling it. We have a graphic tee here, which is the chessboard t-shirt. Looks like we have a bunch of like a chessboard and then a bunch of pieces. Kind of hard to tell what's going on exactly though. Got some slippers, a little blanket, picnic blanket, it says. Yeah, I mean, none of this stuff's really standing out to me. I don't know about you guys. We have like a navy corduroy bucket hat. I think the one we saw before was kind of the brown one. Another colorway for one of those striped tees we saw. Carhartt Fantasy. Looks like a bunch of almost like seed packets, it reminds me of, where you just have the flower on it. Looks like we have a full set of that as well. We got the bucket hat, the shirt, and then also some bottoms that aren't shown off in the breakdown here. We have this packable rain suit, which looks like some workwear, some stuff you'd see on a dude on the side of the highway working in, except it'd probably be orange instead of this olive. But you have the 3M accents highlighting bands around both the calves and then also the forearms. Looks like the hit in the back is also 3M, or could be 3M. Cool piece, $198. Moving forward, we have this Monterey shirt jacket, which does not look like what they have in it. I don't know if the lookbook previews are just like broken, but like clearly the dude isn't wearing this. Like you can look at the pockets, not even the same jacket. Underneath wouldn't be the same thing, I wouldn't think either. This looks like a corduroy shirt, but I do like this jacket. It looks cool. It looks kind of like lightweight. Probably a wax colorway, or natural. Looks like what they might be going with for it. But yeah, not a bad fit. I like the layering on this. These are some cool pieces. Moving forward, we have another Trade Michigan Chore Coat. I do like the Chore Coats. I don't really care for the pinstriping on this kind of like olive color or dollar green, they're calling it. The Elmwood Vest. We've seen vests that look almost exactly like this with a different name. Detroit spell out, kind of arching. And then some cargo pants. Not really feeling too much of that. Striped tee, some double knee pants. Yeah, they look double knee. Let's see, moving forward, we have the Medley jacket. This one's all right. The paneling is a little weird. There's a lot of like stitching going on and breaking up of the panels. $365, crazy. Obviously more of like a work jacket style. Similar to like their Michigan jacket that they've done before. We have the global t-shirt, $68 for this. Looks like embroidered, looking like a burnt marshmallow or a like perfectly done marshmallow, depending on how you like them. This sweatshirt I really don't care for. I don't like when people do this where they stack the logos going down the sleeves, especially since it's the same exact thing they already have on it. The socks are all right, but like I said before, the baby blue colorway, not really my style. We have another graphic tee. Got kind of like an inspector looking dude, hand up to an ear like he's listening. I do like the wash on this jacket, the dark navy worn wash on the double front jacket. It's looking pretty nice. I do like that. Looks like another colorway for those double knee. No, these might be Klondike or Newell pants, kind of like a brownish washed color. Moving forward, we have Reimagine the Living. This graphic tee, try to blow it up. $78 for a long sleeve, pretty expensive. Let's see if we can get a closer look at the actual graphic. Looks like a Carhartt cross section of kind of like a kitchen or something like that. Kind of cool design though. And then another blanket, the Whisper woven blanket for $200. Kind of cool. We have a flannel, which I guess they're not going to show us in the breakdown. And I like when they do these flannels, because a lot of the times when you're going to get one of these flannels that has the patch on it, it's going to be like a flannel jacket. So it's going to be really rigid. The shoulders are going to poke out a little bit. There's going to be a lot of lining on the inside, usually quilted, so it's kind of like puffy. But I like how just kind of like the base, just the flannel material lays. So it's cool to see this. That being said, not too crazy about the flannel pattern, the plaid pattern that they are using for this. I'd like to see a little bit more creative than just kind of this regular blue one that they got going on. And then we also have this kind of collegiate or almost like government looking Carhartt arching logo upside down. Upside down t-shirt they're calling it, I guess. So that's it for the men's 2022 spring summer lookbook. Keep in mind the stuff's going to be releasing over the next like 4 months or so, 5 months. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll try to cover the women's lookbook, which is very short this year. It seems like there's like 10 images in it, but I'll cover that and have that up later. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.